Hello and welcome to RDX News Bulletin with me, Rupa Gaudi. Before we go into all the stories in detail, let's have a look on top headlines. State Cabinet will donate an amount of rupees 3 crore 15 lakh to Uttarakhand people from Kanakona Relief Fund. I am not emotionally attached towards the organization of Lucifonia Games. Will lose the faith of other nation if they terminate this contract, Chief Minister. Special meet to appoint State and Chief Information Commissioner scheduled on 29 July, Chief Minister. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that the State Cabinet will donate an amount of rupees 3 crore 15 lakh to Uttarakhand people from the relief fund collected towards the flood affected people of Kanakona last year. He further said that he will put forward proposal to the Sport Minister and MLA of Kanakona, Ramesh Tawadkar, to make provision for the people of Kanakona next budget. Chief Editor Darshan Loliekar with camera person Sanjay Munoli report from Porvorim.
दुसरो काणकोण रिलीफ फंडाच्या वर 3 कोटी 12-15 लाख कितें तरी पयशे थंय पडून आशिल्ले अकाउंटांत. वी हॅव डिसायडेड दॅट मनी वील गो टू उत्तराखंड अकाउंट. हय, आनी काणकोणाक कितें तें ताज्या बदल्यान कितें तो करता पळय ते डिपार्टमेंटूच हांवें सांगलां हाका रमेशाक. वॉट एवर दे वॉन्ट टू बिल्ड इन काणकोण अप टू 3.15 crore दे कॅन आस्क फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट for each panchayat. We will give that money. Otherwise there will be very complex process of rotating it. Food alena ullele paise podun asile lokani dille, but government did not use from that fund. Some of the money was used by government from its own funds. So this money was left over there for last 4 years. ते अशेंच पडून आशिल्ले ते आमी आतां उत्तराखंडाक वळयल्या आनी काणकोणाक कितें तें ताज्या बदल्यान कितें दिवंक जाय समजा जाल्यार दॅट आय हॅव टोल्ड द मिनिस्टर टू मूव अ प्रपोजल which will be given through the budgetary.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that he will complete the work of Lucifonia Game despite of oppose received from one of his colleagues. He said that it is not emotionally attached towards the organization of Lucifonia Games and that is sovereign contract the state has entered into. We will lose the faith of other nation if they terminate this contract, he added. He said he will take forward the work of Lucifonia Games initiated by the previous government to maintain the faith among the nation. Chief Editor Darshan Loliekar with camera person Sanjay Munoli report from Porvorim.
Capital assets तयार करतात त्या अदमास 260
Sandeep Jacks give this.
285 crores is expenditure for this capital expenditure for various infrastructure. There are about 15-20 spots which are being developed, and these are for national game also. त्यामुळे ही तयारी जी लुसोफोनियाची आहा ती नॅशनल गेमीची तयारी ॲक्च्युअली. सो नॅशनल गेमीची 75 to 80% of the requirement is being complied with. If there was no Lusofonia, maybe this would have gone in a slightly slower speed, but for national if you want, then you have to have this arrangement. For purpose of organizing all expenditure including approximately 70 crores, 80 crores at the most will be the expenses. Opening closing ceremony जे पळय 30 कोटी आहा ते 30 कोटी खर्चाक दिवन ना, ते कॅपेक्स म्हणजे कॅप केल्या म्हणजे एक विथाउट knowing what will be the response, what will be the actual expense. We ourselves decided that nothing can be more than 30 crores, but I realized that it will be more around 15 crores. This is my estimate from whatever I had a preliminary discussion. But केन्ना तरी सुरवातीक जेन्ना आमी हें करतात तेन्ना खरें 100 कोटी कोणें कोट केलेले म्हणून आमी पयलींच सांगलें की अंडर एनी सर्कमस्टन्स 30 वयर वचचें ना, बट नाव वी रियलायज दॅट इट इज इवन 30 इज अ हायर फिगर, मे बी 15-20 इज मोर दॅन सफिशियंट. हांवें म्हणणें अत्यंत बरोबर आसा, पण दुर्दैवान सरकार इज अ गव्हर्मेंट इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस. इफ यू गिवन अ चॉयस आय वूड नॉट हॅव टेकन लुसोफोनिया. I was put that responsibility by the earlier government who gave an international assurance. Now I believe in one principle, that if you give an international assurance, government assurance cannot be just thrown away.
A special meeting has been called to decide upon the appointment of State and Chief Information Commissioner on 29 July, informed Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Leader of Opposition and Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza will also participate into the meet, he added. Chief Editor Darshan Loliekar with camera person Sanjay Mulari report from Porvorim.
29 काय 26 तारखेक मीटिंग फिक्स केल्या. Meeting, there has to be Chief Minister, Opposition Leader and one of the Minister, Francis D'Souza. 3 are meeting on that day to decide the requirement of the law. I cannot change it. The committee has full powers to consider anyone. There is no compulsion that you have to advertise it. There is no compulsion of scrutinizing it. The committee can go beyond the scrutiny level also. The committee has full power. These are transparency exercise I am doing. These are not prescribed by any law or rules. So when I am doing something more than transparency,
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
The Glitz India True Reflection of the Names comprise of 150 and 46 tastefully furbished rooms and suites. Fish just the way you like it. Experience a stunning variety of fresh seafood delicacies. Here, exotic ingredients and mouth-watering sauces come together in a symphony of flavors, just the way you like it. Managed by Soza Lobo, Neelam Hotels, The Glitz Goa, Kalangut, Bardez, Goa.
High-speed broadband internet now in your area. Internet at home, in office, for gaming, for every professional. No more waiting. Call 8888886109 or go to www.ethernetexpress.com.
अंकल आप ठीक हो ना?
बेटा थैंक यू. ये क्या है?
कुछ नहीं अंकल, अभी ब्लड डोनेट करके आई हूँ.
बेटा तुम्हें तो बहुत कमजोरी महसूस होती होगी.
कोई कमजोरी नहीं अंकल, हर 3 महीने में करती हूँ.
अच्छा.
नेकी के लिए पहलवान नहीं इंसान होना जरूरी है. रक्तदान कीजिए, कमजोरी नहीं होती. शरीर उस खून को जल्दी बना लेता है.
सोचिए मत, करके देखिए, अच्छा लगता है.
The UK concept-based preschool now in Goa, Sanford, where learning begins. Our schools have spacious, highly colorful, conceptual and air-conditioned classrooms. Sanford Activity Arcade provides rich learning experience to the children. Sanford schools have mini auditorium equipped with small stage and audio-video equipment to give children stage exposure. Play area is equipped with swings, slides, bouncy, mini train, merry-go-round and many other play equipments. The nutritious midday meal is a special facility at Sanford.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
राखपा गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजीक आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात.
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो.
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा, पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आणि जबाबदारी आसा.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
राखपा गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती
येताना देवाक चांगलेले तिका राखतलो कुडी येताना देवाक चांगलेले तिका राखतलो
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स कदम बस स्टँड पणजे भांगार म्हारग जाला येवं नाकात गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां पाटली पिचोडी तोडे घेयात वैभव ज्वेलर्स साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार कदम बस स्टँड पणजे हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात साळकार ज्वेलर्स
Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had promised that he would evaluate the performance of his minister at the end of 6 months. 16 months have passed and no evaluation of cabinet minister has been made public. Blame NCP spokesperson Trajano Di Mello. Chief Minister has retained most of his portfolios with him and is trying to impose the dictatorship, he added.
खबर आहा की जेन्ना काँग्रेस गव्हर्नमेंट केलो आणि बीजेपी सरकार येयलो त्या टायमार आमच्या मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगलेले की 6 म्हयन्यान आपलो सरकार चलतलो आणि जे मंत्र्याची जे प्रोग्रेस आसतलो जे काम आसतलें हें पळोवन मागीर तेजेर फुडली वाटचाल करतले त्या प्रमाणे आमच्या पक्षान आमी डिसिजन घेतला की जे 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 सारखे चलोवंक ना जे जेन्युइन कितें आमकां आसतलें तें तुमच्या फुडें घालून आमी लोकां पर्यंत ते व्हरून दितले आणि आयज आमी एका मिनिस्टराचे घेतले एका खात्याचे घेतले त्या प्रमाणे मागीर टायम येता तसो तशें एक एक आमी एक्सपोज करतले
मुख्यमंत्री आश्वासन दिले गोंयच्या लोकांक की आपण 6 म्हयन्यान आपले मिनिस्टराचे परफॉर्मन्स पळयतलो आणि तेच्या नंतर आपण आनी एक पोर्टफोलिओ वाडटलो आयज पर्यंत 16 म्हयने जाले तेणें इव्हॅल्युएशन करूंक ना तेजें कारण तो जर तुमी इव्हॅल्युएशन करूंक वचत जाल्यार कमीत ताका 3/4 मिनिस्टर सॅक करचे पडटले ते परफॉर्मन्स सरकाराचो इतलो बदनामी आहा इतले यू टर्न आसा इतली आश्वासनां जी दिलेली ती कांयच पुरी करूंक ना हें सिद्ध आसा आनी दुसरे सायडीन सगळे पोर्टफोलिओ आपल्या हातीन धरून तो टोटल डिक्टेटोरियल कंट्रोल करूंक सोदता तेणें गोंयच्या डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टराची पासून मस्करी करून सोडली दाखयल्या लोकांक मायनॉरिटीक की आपण तुका क्रिस्तांव दिलो म्हण डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टर पूण एक पोर्टफोलिओ आयज पर्यंत ताका एक्स्ट्रा दिवंक ना त्याच लेवलाचेर दवरला क्लियर जाता की तेज्याच त्या उपमुख्यमंत्र्याच्या परफॉर्मन्सान तो सॅटिस्फायड ना और तो मायनॉरिटीज हाचे फकाणां करून दोनूय भितरले हे सगळे पळयतूच जें गमन येता की मुख्यमंत्री जर तर परफॉर्मन्स काडून वचत भायर आनी एक्शन घेवंक वचत मिनिस्टरांचेर तेजी खुर्ची वयतली आनी हितून सिद्ध जाता की ताका खुर्ची म्हत्वाची आहा गोंयचो विकासाचेर ताका पडोवप
The plan for Panjim will be ready by this month and the developmental work shall commence from August, said the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. He was speaking on the occasion of commissioning of the garbage collected truck donated by the renowned business person of Goa to CCP. Sanjay Munoli report from Panjim.
Ego माझा काहीच ना. इवन ऑपोजिशनची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी डेव्हलप करतात म्हणजे ही तर माझी स्वतःची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी त्यामुळे ती डेव्हलप जावंक जाय गार्बेजचो प्रश्न आसत ताजे प्रश्न आसत सोडोवपाक सरकार कडच्यान सगळ्यांतले JNN आय थिंक वी हॅव फिक्स्ड मिटींग ऑन 26 एक तुमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन दिवंक सोदता फाल्या, what time it is for declaring your listing day?
6 o'clock.
Tomorrow around 6 o'clock we are putting up that, we are throwing it open for draft plan for the city, the design जे त्यांनी propose केला. लोकांचे कॉमेंटा खातीर फाल्यां आमी दितात. We expect within a month we finalize the entire development of the city, right up to Ribandar to this end. And ते एकदा finalize झाले की August महिन्यात we'll start taking up the works, different works in a large scale issue. January we've already finalized that. I think 78 crores have been sanctioned for water supply, and that work order may be issued at the end of the before rainy season. So work will start on change of pipeline. That's all. And I also assure that along with Panji we are starting now on Vasco, and Madgaon will be taken up very soon. So it's not the Vasco full development, city development plan is being, consultant is being appointed. Same thing will happen with Madgaon, Mapsa and Fonda.
Each truck is 10.5 lakhs.
It is donated or what?
It is sponsored under the corporate social responsibility by Kamath Real Estate Managing Director Mr. Uday Kamath, Mathais Construction Mr. Joe Mathais, Kakulo Constructions and Kakulo Malls Mr. Manoj Kakulo, and Models Construction Private Limited Mr. Peter Walls. Got 3 old trucks to collect debris and dry waste. Besides, we have got a number of garbage trucks and compactors. You see, we are 30 corporators, and every time somebody asks, I was feeling so embarrassed that I could not help them in time. So now with these 4 trucks coming, at least I can give 1 truck to 1 corporator in his ward for 2 days, that they can clean the area. And by August end, if everything go well, we'll get another 4 trucks, 1 given by Union Bank, 1 is by Central Bank, and 2 are supposed to come from State Bank of India. I'm only waiting for 80G certificate from the Income Tax Department.
In yet another accident in GMC, a labour was reported allegedly falling from height while doing the work of lift. 3 people suffered injuries in this accident. MLA Vishnu Wagh rushed to the site and took the stock of the situation. Gautam Shirodkar report from Bambolim.
गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान एक बारीकशी दुर्घटना घडली. वॉर्ड नंबर 110च्या मुखार 2 बायलो आशिल्ल्यो आनी ताच्या वयर लिफ्टीचें काम चलतालें. सो एक तो ट्रॅप हे जो आसता थंय वयर काम चलतना एक लिफ्टमॅनान चुकून पांय दवरलो ताचेर आनी 2 फळी पेचून तो डायरेक्ट आयलो सकयल आनी त्या बायलांचेर पडलो. वयल्यान जर फ्लोरार पडिल्लो जाल्यार निश्चित ताका कितें तरी हें जातलें आशिल्लें कॅज्युअलिटी, पण लकिली तो त्या 2 हाचेर पडलो, महिलांचेर. तांकांय मातशी इंजुरी जाली, पण तांकां आतां हें करून डिस्चार्ज केल्यात. आनी हो जो आसा तो तोंडान आपटलो, ताचे 2 दांत गेल्ले आसा, ताच्या भायर ताका कांय ना, हांव पर्सनली पळोवन आयलो. आनी हातून हें जालें तातून GMCचेय हाजो कांय हें ना तसो दोश ना, बिकॉज वयर तें काम चलतालें. इट इज अ रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एरिया, थंय कोणें कर म्हणजे वचूं जायना. पण ह्या वर्कमॅन आसल्या कारणानूच ते थंय गेले आनी अननोइंगली तो ड्रेस चेंज करपाक ताणें थंय पांय दवरिल्लो, ती फळी सकयल देंवली.
Forest official on Tuesday trapped a 4-year-old male leopard which was terrorizing residents at Ghanibagh, Talpona since last few days. Residents of Talpona had complained that a leopard was terrorizing their livestock and was also creating fear among the local. Forest official along with the round forester Kashinath Kandolkar, forester Ramu Bhagat, Rudaynath Volvekar, Siddesh Naik, Mahadev Gaonkar and others rushed to the site and took the leopard to the Hatipar Rescue Center at Kotigaon. Babesh Korkar report from Kankona.
वाघ आता कमीत कमी 15 दीस जाले आमगे साम गोट्या येवन आमकां त्रास करता सारको. आनीक आमगे सद्या असो रातचो आवाज जावप गोट्याक. मागीर तरी पण आमकां कितें तें कळना जालें, वाघ का कितें. आमी सारके कन्फ्यूज जावप, रातचे कोण येवप कोण येता कांयच कळप ना आमकां. मागीर एक दीस सांजे 4:30 वरांचेर एकदम गोरवा आवाज जावपाक लागलो. सकाळचे 4:30 वरांचेर घरा कडेन आईन उठयलो मागीर पळय जाल्यार कितें वाघ पाडकाक घेवन सादारणशे गोट्यासान वचून आमचे ताचेर आंबो आसा आमचो आनी त्या आंब्या मुळाक घेवन वाघ सारको येता तेका गळ्याक घास मारून
तुम्ही पळयले?
आमी पळयले वाघाक सगळे हेजे पाडकाचेर अटॅक केल्लो आसा. पाडका अटॅक करून सायडीच्यान गळ्यार घास बीस मारून गळो फोडलो ते गेलो. मागीर आमचे फुडें कांयच ऑप्शन ना. एक बोबाळ मारली म्हणून का कोण लोक येवपा ना. मागीर कितें डिसिजन आमकांच ओन घेवपा पडलें. मागीर हांव आमचो बाब आनीक आई तेचेर वचून बोबाळ करून वाघाक धांवडयलो डायरेक्ट. हय आनी आमचो वांगडा सारको धाकटो पेटो आसलो तेणी बीन मातसो आमकां बरो हेल्प केलो. आनी
ट्रॅप केन्ना लायल्लो?
जाले 8 दीस जाले ते ट्रॅप लायल्यार शेनवारा. हय हय.
कितल्यांक पडलो राती?
12 पडलो. इन केस आमकां असो आवाज येयलो की वाघ पडलो म्हणून कळ्ळें की रातची आमची 12 भायर वचपा डेअरिंग जालें ना. हय मागीर सडनली आमी 5:30 सुमार उठून पळयले जाल्यार वाघ पडलो आसा. सडनली मागीर आमी आनी फाटफुडें पळयलें ना की डायरेक्ट आमी फॉरेस्टाक इंटिमेट करून रोखडे इन्फॉर्म करून ते मागीर रोखडेच एक अर्दवरान सुमार आयले.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences, with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
खरेंच मनशाच्या नशिबान बरयला ते कोणाच्यानूच वाचूंक जायना. पण एन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट एंड ऍडमिशन घेवन बरें शिकप करून हॉटेलाचो मॅनेजर जावन फुडाराक तुज्यान एक व्हडलो मनीस जावं येता. देखून ऍडमिशन घे फकत एन इन्स्टिट्यूट पोरवोरेम.
The best of the best. An institute, a name that hotel industry trusts.
An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology.
Many options, one name.
An Institute.
Nova Siddharth Commercial Complex, S1 Building, 2nd floor, Porvorim, Goa.
Admissions now open for 3-year BSc in Hotel Management.
Eligibility 12 pass.
Now An Institute is affiliated to Bharatiya University, Coimbatore. For admissions, contact 2411
Spot admission open for degree and diploma courses in hotel management.
सुची लग्ना उपरांत तुका आमच्या घरान कितें जाय?
Prince Furniture is #1 furniture showroom for all your home furnishing needs. Comfortable and designer sofas with lots of varieties. Stylish divans. Spacious and best quality wardrobes. Prince Furniture for strong and latest designing dining tables, for wall mount showcases, for large variety of stylish beds. Visit our showroom at Piran Industrial Estate.
आमच्या स्वप्नातले घर सजयता प्रिन्स फर्निचर.
तुमचे घर कोण सजयता?
Prince Furniture is the best furniture.
हेलो अंकल.
हेलो.
मैं आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ.
थैंक यू किस लिए?
वो एक्चुअली मुझे ना थैलेसीमिया है और हर महीने आप जैसे अंकल आंटी खून देते हैं और मेरी मदद करते हैं, पर मुझे पता नहीं वो कौन है, इसलिए सबको थैंक यू बोल देती हूँ. सो थैंक यू.
पर बेटा मैंने तो कभी ब्लड डोनेट किया ही नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए बाय.
बाय.
18 साल की उम्र से रक्तदान करें, ये किसी की जिंदगी बचा सकता है.
करके देखो.
अच्छा लगता है.
The Grand, in its true reflection of the name, comprises of 150 tastefully furbished rooms and suites. Pan Global, the new international standard world cuisine restaurant, It is an exclusive fine dining a la carte restaurant that serves fares spanning the entire globe. Neelam's The Grand, Post Office Road, Kalangut, Bades, Goa.
Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Anywhere at any time, 24-hour service available all over Goa. Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Contact us at 09637164777, 09822137923. Also email us arvind.dabolkar@yahoo.com.
Welcome back. Linemen working in the electricity department have demanded for an equal salary as a station operator. Speaking in a press conference organized by Gomantak Electricity Workers Association, President Suhas Kundrekar said that linemen and station operator were paid equal wages until 1996, but the wages of station operator were inflated from 1996. The association threatened to go on a strike if their issues are not heard and resolved within next 15 days. Gautam Shirodkar report from Panjim.
आमचो जो मुद्दो आसा तो पॅरिटी विथ द स्टेशन ऑपरेटर हो कन्सिडर करचो आणि तो कन्सिडर करपा खातीर सरकारान जास्तीत जास्त इनिशिएटिव्ह घेवन आमकां तो हो प्रश्न सॉल्व करपाचो जो लॉंग पेंडिंग इश्यू आसा आणि जी मानसिकता जी पळय कामगारांची चलबिचल आसा पळय न्हू हेका थारो दिवचो आणि हायकोर्टाच्या ऑर्डरीक न्याय दिवचो अशें आमचें अपेक्षा आसा आणि ती अपेक्षा ह्या सरकारान आमची फुलफील करची अशी कळकळीन विनंती आम्ही ह्या सरकाराक करूंक इच्छिता. ह्या पत्रकार परिशद घेवन आम्ही ती करूंक इच्छिता हेजेर लक्षात घेवचें म्हणून. आमच्याकडे ऑर्डर आसा आणि जी ऑर्डर आसा ती आम्ही टायम टू टायम आम्ही गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे प्रोड्यूस केल्ली आसा आणि ती ऑर्डर त्या प्रमाणे इम्प्लिमेंटेशन जावचें अशें आमी मागता. आम्ही दुसरे बाकी आनी काय मागिना.
An illegal construction by Devin Mascarenas at Santanis was demolished by CCP workers on Tuesday. The structure was demolished as per the demolition order of CCP. Informed Mamledar of Tiswadi, Madhu Narvekar, occupant of the house, Jos Narona, informed media that he had residing there for last 15 years and that no prior notice of demolition was served to them.
Illegal structure carried by Devina Mascarenas from Santanis. As per the demolition order, he demolished these structures. The CCP has requested demolition scare, Deputy Collector to provide demolition scare. Accordingly, demolition team has been provided by the Deputy Collector, and accordingly this order is implemented to demolish the illegal structure extension of the house carried by the Devina Mascarenas in Santanis area.
खुमटी बांधलेली मागीर भाडकारान सांगले तुम्ही धाकटो जागो तुम्ही बांदान तुम्ही रावा म्हणून. आता बांधलो रावलो आता इनलिगल म्हणून मोडूंक लागले. हितून आता कोणाचे भाडकाराचे काय वय येयला पळय तेचे म्युन्सिपालिटी. आमी हिंगा रावता आता 20 वर्सां मायज जाली.
आणि खोपटी बांदल्यार कितली वर्सां जाली?
खोपटी बांदून 50 वर्सां मायज जाली. नोटीस येवंकूच ना तेकाच लागून म्हणटा नोटीस येयना आसा तुमी मोडूंक जायना नोटीस धाडूंक जाय न्हू. कडेन न्हू भाडकारान सांगलें तूं बांदान तुमी रावा म्हणून कांय बांदून बुडोवन बीन दिवंक ना.
As the market leader with 50% share in Indian automatic scooter segment, Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India Private Limited launched its first 110cc personal compact scooter Activa I. Divisional Head Srinath Kamlapurkar was present at this occasion. Gautam Shirodkar report from Panjim.
Our new third plant operations have started from the month of June 2013. We have announced our next step towards further expanding capacity of this third plant by 6 lakh units, taking annual capacity of third plant from 12 lakh to 18 lakh units by the end of this financial year. With this addition, HMS's capacity will reach to 46 lakh units from its 3 plants. Honda is today world's largest two-wheeler manufacturer and a leading automaker. Already, India has overtaken China to become the world's #1 two-wheeler market, contributing to nearly 25% of the global two-wheeler sales. There is no doubt that India is one of the most important markets for Honda's two-wheeler business. In the current financial year 2014, Honda's global two-wheeler sales growth is expected to increase more than the previous year and headed to new heights by its operations in India. Today is a proud moment for entire Honda family to share with you all that they have crossed a mark of 13 million customer base in India. If you look at the two-wheeler industry, then clearly Honda is a winner. Honda posted a 14% growth over financial year over first quarter. This April, Honda achieved its highest sales of 2.59 lakh units with a remarkable growth of 29% over previous year.
Before we wind up, here's a recap of today's news headlines. State Cabinet will donate an amount of rupees 3 crore 15 lakh to Uttarakhand people from Kanakona Relief Fund. I am not emotionally attached towards the organization of Lucifonia Games. Will lose the faith of other nation if they terminate this contract, Chief Minister. Special meet to appoint State and Chief Information Commissioner scheduled it on 29 July, Chief Minister. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RTS Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rtsgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.